Hi friends, today I'm going to share you with another trading strategy. As per this strategy, I choose Fortis stocks today and I just mark the open candle price and stop loss is day low. Okay, open candle price is 158.50 and stop loss is 157.10 below. So why I choose these stocks means in the opening time the Fortis is highly bullish with high volume. So I just choose this stock. So opening time the Fortis is one of the top gainer stocks, and after 9:30 it comes down. I think it's a profit booking, that's why it comes down. Such case most of the time you may notice that it comes to touch at the open price of the first candle. That's why I choose 158.50 level. So now it's touched 158.50. That means our buy call is active, and I place target as next resistance level. You can see there is a resistance level in that level. So many candles are touch that level and comes down. That's why I choose the target is there. So you just place target is 162.50 below. So now our buy call is active. Next wait for the target or stop loss. Okay, now time is 3:20. It's a time to exit intraday positions. So now it's above 161.15 level. So just exit at the current market price. I think the resistance is too strong. That's why it didn't hit the target. So exit 161.30 current market price. Okay. So hope you like this trading strategy. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmiller.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.